In this module, we delve deeper with a practical, hands-on exercise aimed at crafting well-structured prompts for ChatGPT. This will assist us in effectively managing warehouse stock inventories, a critical component of business operations. Our focus is on illustrating how this sophisticated AI tool, known for its advanced computational abilities, can also be an invaluable asset in streamlining inventory management tasks, thereby enhancing operational efficiency and accuracy. The core objective of this module will be to showcase how we can utilize ChatGPT to calculate closing inventories, an essential aspect of effective warehouse management. Understanding the significance of this, we emphasize the importance of creating precise, detailed prompts. These are crucial in obtaining accurate, relevant, and comprehensive responses from ChatGPT, ensuring the information provided aligns perfectly with your specific inventory management requirements. Let's begin by introducing our practical scenario, designed to mirror a real world business environment. Our hypothetical company operates a large scale warehouse stocking an array of diverse products. These include product A with a substantial inventory of 16,000 units, product B holding a moderate 5,000 units, product X at a significant 23,000 units, and product Z with an impressive 36,000 units in stock. To add to the complexity, let's consider the sales and return figures for these products. In January 2023, 9,000 units of product X were sold, and additionally, 750 units were returned due to them being faulty. For product Z, a different dynamic was observed, with 8,000 units sold in January 2023 and a substantial 21,000 units sold in February 2023. Our task is to craft a detailed, well structured prompt asking ChatGPT to calculate the closing inventories for each product for February based on the data provided. We've already prepared a prompt in a Word document, which I will now copy and paste into the GPT-4 interface. By submitting this prompt, we observe how ChatGPT processes the information, providing a detailed solution that breaks down every step leading up to the final answer. We will then evaluate the closing inventory calculations for each product, ensuring that the figures accurately reflect our initial stock data and the sales or return information provided. Moving on to practice exercise number 2, we extend our scenario into the month of March, adding layers of complexity. This includes incorporating additional sales data and introducing a new concept in inventory management, the minimum order quantity, or MOQ for short. Observing how ChatGPT handles this additional complexity is crucial in understanding its capabilities in managing more nuanced inventory scenarios. Using a revised, more detailed prompt that includes the March data along with the MOQ requirements, we will showcase how ChatGPT can perform a dual function. Not only will it calculate closing inventories with precision, but it will also identify which products are falling below the MOQ threshold, a critical insight for effective inventory management. Once again, I have prepared a prompt in a Word document. Let's copy the revised prompt, including all the details of the March scenario, and paste it into the GPT-4 chat screen. We will see that the steps for calculating the closing inventories were executed with the same precision as in the first scenario. However, for the MOQ analysis, ChatGPT leverages its advanced analyzing capabilities to provide a deeper insight. Finally, we'll dissect ChatGPT's response to this more complex scenario, examining not only the closing inventories for March, but also identifying which products require an MOQ alert. As we observe ChatGPT has adeptly identified the products falling below the MOQ threshold, indicating MOQ alerts for both product X and product Z. On the other hand, it correctly ascertains that no MOQ alerts are necessary for products A and B, as their quantities are either above or equal to the MOQ threshold. This module thus emphasizes ChatGPT's extraordinary capability to handle nuanced, detailed, and complex inventory management tasks with remarkable accuracy. This process, adaptable to a wide range of products and companies, demonstrates how simply presenting your specific scenario and numbers to GPT can enable the same level of in depth inventory analysis for any company or product in question. We hope this module has illuminated the practical applications of ChatGPT in advanced inventory management for your accounting needs, showcasing its potential to revolutionize how businesses approach this vital aspect of their operations.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.